Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you the review of DROPCOURSE. DROPCOURSE.io is a platform that helps creators build and sell their courses with ease. It is known for its simple interface, making it easy for beginners with no tactical skills. The platform lets users create customizable courses, manage students, and process payments easily. It's integrated well with other tools, streamlining the process of managing an online business. Many users like its affordability and how well it works with other tools, making it easier to manage an online businesses. While it covers the basics, some users feel its advanced features like analytics and marketing tools are limited compared to other platforms. Despite some limitation, it is great for launching your first course without spending much time or money. Yes, DROPCOURSE.io is a legit, user-friendly platform. Its advanced features are less extensive than some competitors. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.